Don't you agree when they all say home is where the heart is? But do you see with every step that you take, you get further away from where the heart is? It's so easy to be blinded and caught up in the clouds, but everything's in a haze, causing you forget about the days of the kind, simple, beautiful ways. I remember all the times that I had spent with my friends, taking buses to San Francisco just for 3.50 cents, talking, laughing, joking, didn't quite know what was to come. Years of memories, irreplaceable fun. I remember telling Mom that I'd make her birthday. She would smile and knew exactly all the right things to say. Man, I miss her. Can't wait till I get back to the bay, back to the common, simple, beautiful ways. Isn't it now?